Puppet.
Hello.
Production tells me that you're the chef this week.
Yes, me thought today be a good time to bring out Puppet's Ultimate Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a winner.
That sounds exciting.
Uh,
So you tell me what you want, and
Okay.
I shall be your sous chef today.
oh, thank you. You can be my hands.
I'm
Okay.
going to be anything you want me to be, so let's
Okay.
go.
All right. So in the interest of health, let's bring out some multi-grain bread.
Oh,
What you got?
okay. I think we've got that here. It looks like we've got some 7 grain here.
Okay.
All right.
Spread them
we
out.
got bread.
Probably the only healthy thing in this thing.
Maybe.
Okay. So now let's start with some peanut butter.
Okay, we've got that over here.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
get a spreader.
Okay.
Hold, please.
I'm
You
on.
want it on both sides of the bread or just one?
Whatever you like.
Well, it's your sandwich, your
A little
head
bit
chef.
of both.
A little bit of
Okay.
both.
That looks pretty good.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Don't want to
split.
get your little
yeah.
hands in there.
All right. Little,
Yep,
little
see?
extra is
A
good.
little extra. Hold on.
Too much is never enough.
Too much is never enough.
Yeah, yeah.
All
that's
right.
looking pretty good.
Done. What
All right.
next?
So, me like second peanut butter, if you got it.
Oh,
Like, how about hazelnut peanut butter? Got some of that?
we do.
Yeah,
We've
bring
got
it.
chocolate hazelnut
Oh,
spread.
that's good. Yep,
Ooh,
that's the winner.
okay.
That what me leave.
Hold on. We're going to
Yep.
have to have that on both sides.
Yeah,
Look at that.
yeah.
Hold on.
Oh,
Hold on.
soup it up.
Don't, we want to be generous, remember?
Generous. Yep, do it. Hit it.
All right.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me
Smooth it
just
on.
smooth that out.
Don't worry about it. Doesn't have to be pretty.
All right. What next?
Me, the Picasso of sandwiches.
Okay.
All
what
right,
next?
lay it on. Now, how about some jam? Let's see. You got anything red?
We do.
Me
We
not picky.
have. Let's see. Actually, we have. I think it's blackberry. You want to try
good?
that?
Yep, that's a winner.
Right. All of
Take
it.
All of it.
Okay.
Everything you got.
Oh, puppet.
That's a little light for what you usually do, but
Yeah,
they're
well.
pretty good.
Pretty generous.
Yeah,
Okay.
do it, do
what
it,
next?
do it. How about you got some anything orange or yellow? Like
We have,
apricot, peach. What you got?
We've got apricot.
Do it.
You want that
Oh,
on
yeah.
this side? You
All
tell
of it.
me.
Yep, all of it. Put it
All
all
of it?
on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Puppet.
That's a lot, but never enough.
Okay.
Okay. For a lot of people, this would be the end, and they just slap that thing together.
Okay.
But wait, this is where the real chef come in.
Yeah.
So my years of French training, not really. Don't tell anybody. Just making it up.
It's our
Okay. Now, got any honey?
Oh, I
Fancy
think
honey.
so. How about wildflower honey?
Wildflower?
Wildflower honey.
Me know what you mean.
Okay.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Okay.
Get crazy.
Tell me when.
Get crazy. Well, you stop whenever you feel. Whoa, that's a lot of honey. Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Like an oil spill. Whoa.
Oh, Puppet, that got a little.
That's a lot.
Got away from us, didn't it? But you
Yeah.
know what?
That's whoa.
Generous. What am I always saying?
That's generous, all right.
Yikes. All right.
Excess is best.
Anything
Okay.
else?
Yep.
Ooh.
Slap it together now. It's
like
pretty good.
Well, that's like a river of honey here. Hold
Normally
on.
me would add a pickle, but that not everybody's favorite. So put it
Okay.
together.
Oh.
All right.
Okay. Now what?
Now, for most people, this would be done. But me now like to go one more step.
Okay.
Me like to grill it in the skillet.
Okay.
So if you
okay.
can, please put it. Hot pan ready.
Hot pan ready.
Yep. Put it in.
All right. Let's get it under
Scoop it
here.
up.
Oh, look!
Whoa,
Whoa,
look at all
whoa.
that. Whoa.
Yikes.
Okay.
All
Crime
right.
scene, crime
It's
scene.
in the skillet, and the
Yeah.
skillet's hot.
Okay. So, in the interest of not boring people, we'll let it go for a little bit, and then we'll come right back.
Okay.
All right.
All
Hang
right.
on to your pants, people. This is a barn burner. Let's go. All right. Okay. Looking pretty good. What do you think?
I think it looks good. It's
Got a
got a
crust
nice
on it?
crust. Got a nice crust on it.
Okay.
Honey's oohing out.
Okay.
Peanut butter and what did you put in there?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
a couple
chocolate
kinds of peanut
hazelnut?
butter. Yes.
Okay.
A couple kinds of jam, some honey. Yeah, let's do it.
I think
Ready?
it's ready to come out.
Pull it out.
Now-
Take it out. Yes.
Do you want it on a plate? Do you dress the plate or?
No, just slap it down on the board.
Really?
Just plain. Yep, that's
Okay.
how you like it.
All right. Ooh, all
Nothing
right.
fancy here. Don't burn yourself.
I won't.
Careful.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Oh,
Whoa,
look
look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. All right.
Jam crust.
Now I think we should cut it.
Yeah.
You really don't want it on a plate or?
Pretty good.
All right.
Ain't pretty basic.
Okay. Let's see your
Nothing fancy.
finished. Let's see the finished product,
Yeah,
Puppet.
yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Winner.
Oh, Puppet.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
All right.
Winner, winner, chocolate peanut butter dinner.
Let's at least.
yeah.
Oh, Puppet.
Careful.
Ooh.
400 degrees.
Look
Hurt
at
yourself.
that. Oh,
Whoa.
let's show everybody. I think they can
Oh,
see
yeah.
from that side.
Yeah, almost look like pancakes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Kind of puppet. It
Yeah.
could almost be a French toast type thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look
Like
at
it.
that.
All right. Are we
But
pretty
that's
good?
it. I think we're good.
Yeah.
What do you call it again?
Puppet's Ultimate Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich.
AKA peanut butter and jelly French toast, perhaps.
Yeah, kind of.
Kinda.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's thank everybody. It was
Thank you,
fun
everyone.
being your sous chef.
Oh, thank you.
And the recipe, if this has a recipe, will be in our comments.
You're
and
making fun of my recipe?
no, I think it's a
Okay.
lovely sandwich.
Thank you.
Comments and community page. And we will see you again next week.
Hit subscribe button, like button, all that. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you. Puppet, you were amazing as the
Thank you very
chef.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.